Alright, Forex traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you or explaining what is called a rejection block with my marker and my board. Let's start. What is a rejection block? As the name implies, a rejection block. A rejection block. As the name implies, a rejection block. A rejection block is actually a candlestick that has a very long wick and then a small body. This actually signifies that the price was going to a particular direction, and then that region, that area it's trying to move towards, decided to push the price back. Like they rejected it, they don't want it to even come to that area at all, and then the price left behind a very long wick. It might be to the downside and it might be to the upside. Whenever you see this, it means that there was a rejection and then price left behind a very long wick and a small candle body. And this actually means that the next time price will be making attempt to go to that direction, price is going to still get rejected the second time. That is just it. This thing is not difficult, it is easy. And what did you want to do around this place? What you want to do is that you want to wait for price to come to this area either in the future and then look for a confirmation. Let's say for instance, this is a 4-hour time frame, this is a 4-hour candlestick, a 4-hour candlestick and a 4-hour candlestick. You want to see price comes to this place again and then look for a confirmation on a very smaller time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. And then when you see your confirmation, let's say a change of character, then you enter and then follow the price to the opposite direction. So this thing is not difficult. If you actually learn something, just please like, share and subscribe to this channel. The same thing on the other side. You wait for price to come to this area and look for a confirmation, either a candlestick confirmation or a change of character, and then you want to enter your order to follow the price to the opposite direction. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.